All right, y'all, here we have it, Losi 5T30. We got JR KiloWatt. He's gonna do some operating. Got some crazy stuff up in here. Nothing crazy speed, but it should be pretty fast. It's a little wet out here, so we're gonna be careful. We never ran this before. All right, so we're going to hit track, start, stop, read, 2 mile an hour, track, start. Go ahead and drive it. Slow down. It's looking all right, looking all right, looking all right. Jahan, over here, buddy. Yeah, bring it back towards us so we can see what's going on. Looking good. Looking real good. All right, so look, go over there and stop and turn around and floor it down that way. So go down there. No, stay here. Bring the car down there. I need you to do a flyby so we can get a speed. All right, now go to the floor. Go, 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 go. Go, go, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. All right, slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, come on. All right, stop, 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 stop. All right, leave it right here for a second. Let's see what speed you got. All right, we're gonna check the speed. Stop, read. 62, not bad, bro. You did 62. All right, nice. Can you beat 62?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it again. Hold on. I'm gonna hit track, start, stop, read, 2 mile an hour, track, speed is still registering, start. All right, go ahead and try to beat it. Keep it away from him.
Okay.
And watch out for that dog. Jahan, over here, buddy. Stay over here. Now try to go straight down there. Try to go straight. Go. Go. Go, go. All right, slow down. Don't do that turn slide thing. Yeah, just chill. Come on back. Come on, buddy. Over here. Over here. Keep it away from us, Shaden. Slow down, buddy. All right, so try to do that again. All right, let him go by. So go drive around, let him go by. You can drive around. Go over there. What's going on?
I wouldn't mind hitching a ride on that.
Yeah, I know, right? It's big enough. Kid, chill with the sliding. It's gonna flip. Watch out for your brother. 62's not bad though, man. Look, all you gotta do is just go over here. See this? Jahan, come on back, buddy. Just like that, that's all you gotta do. But we're gonna have to let it cool down once it comes back. Jahan, you all right? I'm gonna let it cool down. See the dog?
Yeah.
All right, let's go let it cool down. Here's the remote, don't hit the trigger. Don't worry guys, he's not drinking. Damn, she's dirty up in there, man. That's why I didn't want to take it out, but it is what it is. Start, go ahead, drive around. That's what I'm saying. It's so slippery out here, man. You can't really get crazy with it. Keep going. Watch yourself. Don't kill yourself.
Cutting grass for us.
I know. All right, slow down. Slow down. You're going down the hill. There you go. All right, bring it right here real quick. Let's check the motor. All right, right there. Yeah, she's nasty up in there, dude. Ew. We're gonna have to vacuum that up, right?
Mm-hmm. Just have your video.
Ooh, motor's getting hot. All right, so look. Let's go ahead and we're gonna let it cool down for a little bit, and we'll do a data log and all that. We're gonna let it cool down. There's no fans on it. It's hot out. The wheels are slipping. All right, so we'll be back. My man JR KiloWatt out here doing his thing. All right, we'll be back. All right, y'all. Peace. Got JR KiloWatt. What's up, bro? You know what I'm saying? Doing his thing. Go ahead and go. We got the low voltage cutoff on. Boogieing.
Come to you?
No, do your thing.
That just did a wheel.
Mm-hmm. Couldn't go. You can do other stuff than just go back and forth.
Like what?
You can drive around other than just go back and forth.
Okay.
Wow.
It's fast.
That joint boogieing. Don't hit yourself. Slow down. All right, bring it over here. Come on. Slow down. Look at you, mongoose. Let's make sure the speed is registering. Stop, read, 61.
61 this time?
All right, we'll be right back, okay? All right, y'all, we are back at it. This will probably be the last run because I don't want to mess with the batteries. Watch out, Johan, stay back.
Dad. John, stop. Get out. Die?
This is a big, crazy truck. Let's see what battery we got. 45.
Oh, we can still do it?
No.
Bro.
45 divided by 12. What's that? All right, that's it.
Can I ride it back?
Mm-hmm. right, guys, I think we are done today. This is the first run. JR KiloWatt, 62 miles an hour. What are your first impressions of this RC? What do you think about it?
Really fast.
I can't hear you.
It's really fast.
62 miles an hour is really fast?
Yes, me?
Really?
Yeah.
What else? Anything that is, how does it feel like it turns good or what?
It turns really good.
You gotta give me all your opinions on it.
All my opinions.
So what do you think? You think it turns good? It's really fast? What else?
It's big.
It's big. What else? Come over here so we can hear you.
That's it.
What about the Nuke 16 batteries?
I don't know.
You don't know about the batteries?
No.
You think they're not good batteries?
No, they are good batteries.
62 miles an hour is really fast?
Yes. To me,
Okay. What about the tires and
it's really grippy.
the tires are grippy even with the water out there on the grass?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, would you recommend someone else buying this if they wanted an RC car?
Yeah.
Would you recommend someone getting them batteries?
Yes.
What about that ESC
Yes.
in the motor?
Yes.
Okay. You ready to run this car some more next time?
Yes.
All right, give me that. All right, JR KiloWatt, you did good today. Handling this beast. This is a crazy combo you got here. You could probably get a lot faster, but I mean, you're driving a tank. 9 years old, you driving a tank 62 miles an hour in the wet grass. I'll give you props. You did really good, all right? Everyone take it easy. Shout out, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, and share this video.